Thiago Moises is set to go down against Brad Riddell, and I'm pretty much looking forward to this amazing fight. This is the clash of two pretty much different fighting styles, as much as I can say. As Brad Riddell is a heck of a striker, while his opponent is kind of a different juice. We all know that as Brad Riddell, Thiago Moises is a submission god. He was having a great fights against some of the high-level opponents, but in his last outing against Benoit Saint-Denis was able to finish him against the cage. Benoit Saint-Denis never slows down, and have a good faith to believe that Benoit Saint-Denis did a great job. Brad Riddell, though, is not a ground fighter. I mean, he's not bad on the ground, don't get me wrong, but he's predominantly a kickboxer. So I believe somebody gonna get floored here. I believe Riddell via knockout or Moises via submission. I'm gonna say fight not going the distance, side call. Get Moises a bit of advantage.